Let's unbox the new Kemimoto high-top motorcycle boots. Listen for the quality. Let's go take these boots for our test ride. My goodness, these Kemimoto Hightops are a sweet pair of kicks. Bam! Now when I'm looking for a motorcycle boot, these are the ones I'm always trying to look for. Ones that don't necessarily look like motorcycle boots, but they offer all the premium protection of those high-end, high-priced boots. These are the type of boots you could ride with all day long, get to where you're getting to, keep them on, and you won't feel out of place. You don't have to show up looking like you just came from a track day. They're packed with a ton of safety features. It's got a crush-resistant toe, crush-resistant heel, reflective material embedded all throughout the boot. That way they can see you from any angle. Honestly, I love this type of boot. It's hard to find them, even if they weren't motorcycle boots. I just still like this style. It's kind of like Converse-esque, just the classic black and white. But the thing that's great about the Kemimotos is that it has all these hidden safety features. We've got a white anti-slip rubber outsole. We've got perforated black mesh leather. This is going to allow the proper amounts of airflow into the boot, keeps your foot comfortable, keeps you alert, and it keeps your feet from stanking. The thing that I really love about Kemimoto is you can just tell that the people that designed them actually ride motorcycles. For instance, they've added extra material right where the shifter goes, because this is a spot on motorcycle boots that always wears away first. So just by adding that extra protection, it's going to make the boot last much, much longer. Another really unique feature with the Kemimoto Hightops is they have this discreet, clever little pocket for your laces. Because we've all been there, you're riding, one of your laces gets stuck in the shifter, you're trying to switch gears, you panic, nothing's happening, it can be pretty dangerous. So just by tucking in your laces, snap it, now you're safe to ride all the time. I think we've all been there after a long day of riding, you get stuck in the rain, you're struggling to get off the boot, it's really frustrating. Well, Kemimoto has the solution. It's a simple hook and loop, you zip down the zipper, and just like that, you're free. And to put it back on, it's just as easy. We literally slip our foot in, zip it up, voila. If we look to the side of the boot, we've got reflector material all around 360 degree, that way at any angle you're going to be seen. If we look at the bottom here, we've got this really unique tread design. It's made from anti-slip material. It's going to give you great traction on any road surface. And the boot is durable, it's pretty rigid. It's got that crush resistant toe, it's got the crush resistant heel. You can barely flex it, but that's what you want in a motorcycle boot. You want good protection. In case of a spill, you don't want some flimsy little soft little shoe. We need something durable that's impact resistant. Now if you look closely, they've actually added extra PVC material all around the boot, goes all the way to the rear, embedded with that reflective material. Now this is just going to give it extra durability, extra strength, and it looks really cool. If we go inside the boot, there's actually a removable insole, which is really nice and handy. You know, you can wash it, you can clean it, you can replace it if you want. Honestly, I like this one a lot. It's pretty comfortable. After a few rides, it's even more comfortable. Now these do fit true to size. I'm a size 10 US and these are size 10 and they fit perfect. Now one thing to note, if we look here, it's kind of tapered along the side here. And since I kind of have a flat foot, initially these felt really tight. But the beautiful thing about leather is that after a few rides, it conforms to the shape of your foot. And now it fits like a glove. And going back to the looks, just look at this thing. It's so beautiful. The black mesh leather, the white anti-slip rubber outsole, high quality material all around. You can just see it, you can feel it, you can even smell it. Well, if you're looking for a brand new pair of motorcycle boots that don't look like a pair of motorcycle boots, that got premium protection for not the premium price tag, I highly recommend checking out the Kemimoto Hightops. I'll put a link down in the description for them, as well as you can use promo code Roadster. We'll get you 18% off and get a pair on your feet ASAP. Anyways, it's getting dark, it's quitting time, about to head home. Keep the rubber side down, love you, bye-bye.